Hey.
Are you recording me?
Yep, you're live. Yo, what up?
Live.
What up, Christian? All right, so here's the brand manager extraordinaire.
What y'all working on today?
This
Boom.
right here.
X marks the spot.
Team.
Yeah, where can they find you, Christian?
Where can they find me?
Yeah.
Right here.
For me, right here, Links Fitness.
Oh, that's the place to be, right? I keep telling people, but then they're thinking like, yo, I'm BSing. This is the spot to be at.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just try to tell people you can see me in real life. I don't do a lot of social media, but you can find me in real life right
You
here.
also do social media too, don't lie.
Yeah, the
Pretty
Chris
good at
Neal. The Chris Neal. N-E-I-L.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm alive.
Okay. You want to work out with us?
I would. If I could.
What's the excuse? Oh, okay, you're working? One little major thing.
What y'all
Yeah.
working on today?
So we got like an AMRAP session.
Yeah.
It is
Sumo
sumo deads, goblet squats, decline push-ups, and inverted rows. All right, so as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. All right, nice dense workout.
I kind of want to get on this.
Yo, it's a wave. All right, it will be going live tomorrow. So
You want to work out?
all right, so herein lies the workout. So you're gonna get a quick little demo,
Yep.
and then
Want my demo?
yeah, you're
I'll
gonna demo. You know, you are the model.
Oh, well, you know.
So she's gonna demo, and yeah. So she's gonna demo, and we're going to then work out and brief you afterwards.
Okay.
And after we're done, that means it's your turn. All right, let's get it. And
Sorry, we're moving.
no, you're fine.
5?
Yep.
Your butt looks really good. Oh, well. Thanks, I've been working hard. Oh, yeah. Back on the line sliding. Halfway.
All right, how was that?
Wash, rinse, repeat.
All right, let's go.
Last one. We got one more, right?
We got one more. No, that was 10.
We still got time.
Huh?
We still got time.
We got 1 minute. That was 1 minute.
All right.
We gonna do it in 1 minute?
No, okay.
All right, so we dropped our first podcast yesterday,
That's right.
and like
Impromptu ambush podcast.
And this was an impromptu workout as well, right?
Yeah.
So
I was napping in the break room on
yeah.
the couch.
So pretty much, if you listened to yesterday's podcast, which I advise you to do, and I will also like put the link to that podcast in the description as well.
Pretty dope.
Pretty dope. Talking
Yeah.
the shit.
It's candid.
And yeah, the workout's
Candid.
going to be in the description as well. So get that done. See us sweating. It only took 20 minutes. And that was a full workout of 20 minutes.
Yeah, I'm done.
So all compound lifts. And what do you want to do? Add some dessert?
Yeah. I don't know yet. I got to think. We'll get back to you.
We'll get back to you. All right. From the commercial break.
Where's my sponsor?
Yo, Angie, what you asking me to do?
I could do another 4 exercise, 5 rep, 20 minute AMRAP circuit. Different
Another one.
exercises though, but I got it. I can do it.
You could do it?
Yeah.
All right. So
Can you
pick
do it?
I could do it, but do I feel like doing it?
Don't. Bring your full ass. Don't bring a half ass. full meat.
Full meat?
Full meat.
Full meat. All right, so you pick it. It's what?
Second set.
Oh, yeah, we do know it's 2. So that was it. Although we didn't record that second 20-minute AMRAP, I will put it down below. Her crazy idea. Yeah.
That was extra.
That was extra. So
That was me just feeling savage.
yeah, she was on one a day, so
Yeah.
yeah. So right
I
now,
took a little power nap before you got here.
I know, right? I feel it. So now
right.
I'm gonna go hit the showers. She's
My
going.
meter's running out. I gotta go teach class.
All right.
Justin
On.
Bieber's on.
Yeah. So full workout down below, and look at her getting
Yeah,
it.
I know, it's Biebs.
Still got energy. All right. That's what you expect out of her class too. So go take that and feel the
Hey.
hey all right. Hey, yo, she on one. She on one today.
It's my dance hall skill. No, just kidding. All right.
All right, it's live.
Oh, you might got that one.
Oh. And
But you know me.
I'm trying to sit around.
I know, me too. I'm trying my damn best to sit around. Do my season squat method. Yeah, ever since you taught me this, I've been doing this every time.
yeah.
I teach it to my clients too, you know what I mean? Ever since you taught me this shit. You changed the game for me in squats.
Tighten up the upper back.
I couldn't even do a pull-up.
Yeah.
I did 5.
Dog,
Just hanging there.
that's back when they were like 12. I used to work out half-hour warm-ups. I used to kill them. Half-hour warm-ups. I'd work out for like 3
I
hours.
mean, no muscle tone. I think I did like 50 push-ups starting
Dude,
before the workout.
we used to crush. We used to kill it back in the day. Now, much more regimented. Now that I'm getting older, you gotta keep it in pocket. You gotta keep it, bring it all down the funnel.
Now look at him, a beast.
Now look at
Beast.
it. 40 with guns. Still got my nephews with me.
Killing it, man. Bringing it to you real and raw from the gym. Anyway, I'm getting ready to do this class that's about to start in about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna just load up. All right, and shit, I had something to tell you guys, but I totally forgot. Spaced out while talking to them and watching them train and work out. But I will remember after class, and I'll bring it to you after this next clip. All right, go. All right, so we are back at the crib, and right now I'm trying to figure out exactly how to publish the podcast that we shot yesterday on iTunes. So I'm doing a quick little research on that. I had so much fun recording that might be a new passion of mine. It's like, yo, literally pulling up to the homie spot with the Spire Studios, because it makes it so easy to record and export the audio that, you know, it's a no-brainer to actually do a podcast. So I'm going to be, right now I'm doing some research on, like, one, how to come up with some awesome questions for, you know, the guest and homies so that people could get the maximum amount of value from these individuals and myself. So I'll be doing some more structured episodes. So this very first episode, I'm looking to just like throw it up and be like, yo, I did it. You know, that was like a little bucket list idea. And my favorite saying is, ideas are useless unless you can take immediate action upon them. So I just had this idea and was like, yo, let's take the action and see what happens. So right now I'm going to see exactly, I'm reading a couple of articles on Google on how to actually put this together and see if I could post it by this weekend, and, you know, like do the logos for the Seeds of Life, you know, thumbnail and whatnot, and then post it and get it up there. And also probably going to do like a survey for a survey to you guys, so that you guys can let me know what you want to talk about, what you want me or the guest to talk about, because this journey that I'm on, this entrepreneurial and personal development journey, is like never ending, and it's in everything that, you know, is what that is life. You know, it is, you know, how you work out, your mindset, everything. So I'm super excited, and I don't know where this is going to lead me, but I'm super excited to find out. I have my goals, as I mentioned, on where I would like it to lead me, but it's not the actual goal itself, it's the person I become in pursuit of those goals. So let me get to work before I go pick up my son from daycare, and, you know, because when he's here, it's just our time and everything gets put on hold, so I just gotta sneak in a couple of, you know, little things here and there before I do that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you seek to collab with your boy, you know, holla at me in the comments, hit me up on theseedsoflife.com, and, you know, let's do it. You know, enough talking, enough BSing, let's just take the action together. All right, holla at your guala. Peace.